Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Easy to Learn with Ma'am Nazish. Linking words. Definition: linking words are words or phrases that connect sentences, paragraph, or idea in written content. They show the relationship between different sections of text and improve its coherence and flow. Types of linking words. Linking words are also known as transition words or connectors, are words or phrases that connect ideas within a sentence between the paragraphs and sentence. Addition: these words show that you are adding an idea to what you have just said. Examples include in addition, furthermore, and moreover. Contrast: these words show a difference between two ideas. Examples include however, nevertheless, and on the other hand. Comparison: these words show similarities between two ideas. Examples include similarly, likewise, and in the same way. The next one is cause and effect. These words show the relationship between cause and effect. Examples include therefore, as a result, and consequently. Time: these words show the relationship between two events in time. Examples include before, after, and meanwhile. The next one is emphasizes. These words are used to emphasize a point or idea. Examples include indeed, in fact, and certainly. Conclusion: these words indicate that you are concluding or summarizing your ideas. Examples include in conclusion, to sum up, and finally.